Yu Futian market is the largest wholesale market in China, boasting 75,000 suppliers and 2.1 million products. Just imagine how difficult it can be to find the exact store and supplier for products you are looking for. Let me introduce to a magical application that will work as your full-time free guide. Go to Play Store and search for Yugo, install and open the app. On the homepage, you can find hot categories and products with their prices. You can explore each district and products they offer. Everything from the market location to the floor number is mentioned in details. You can search for the products you need by keywords or even photos to find a store name, contact information and address. At the same time, you can also explore several other wholesale markets in Yu through the app. You can watch this video for more details. With this app, you can explore the entire Yu market right from your hotel. If you find this content helpful, share with your friends. Please follow me for more updates.